remedy makeup remover, and it is full of nutrients and vitamins that my skin needed. So I would love to show you how I make my own makeup remover at home. It costs nothing and it works effectively.
Put your head on my shoulder, hold me in your arms, baby, squeeze me oh so tight.
Disclaimer: if you were under the age of 17, do not click on this video, because this is for adults only. Don't forget to subscribe, and click that bell. Let's get started.
Hello guys, hello pretty people, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. If today is your first time of seeing my video, you are highly welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I have a beautiful remedy for you. This remedy won't wonder for my skin. Is just a home remedy makeup remover that I actually make in my house, and it works so well, and I've been using it now for the past few months and I love it. I just decided to share it with you guys, and it's full of nutrients that our skin, our face needs, and it's also work wonder for oily skin, and it gets rid of the bacteria that cause acne, and it prevents our skin cells as well. So it's just a cheap remedy, and but it works wonder. So the first ingredient we're going to be using rosemary. You can get a rosemary essential oil as well, or you can make your own at home remedy. Okay, and also we are going to be using tea tree oil. All right, we're going to be using tea tree oil, and we are going to be using rose water as well. Okay, so we only need 1 teaspoon of rosemary, and the problem is you have to soak it for 24 hours before you use it. When you miss it today, you can't use it straight away. It has to be following day. Okay, you really have to soak the rosemary inside the product that I'll be showing you guys. Okay, the reason why I'm using rosemary is a natural antifungal and antibacterial and antiseptic, an excellent preservative in natural skincare product, and it also make an excellent skin tonic for any kind of skin condition that cause from excess bacteria or congested pores. Okay, that is the reason why I'm going to be using rosemary, and I'm going to be transferring it here because I'm going to be soaking it overnight. I'm not going to be using it straight away. So guys, the second ingredient I'm going to be using rose water, because I have a sensitive skin and I decided to use rose water. Rose water help maintain the skin pH balance and also control excess oil. I have a oily skin, especially on my nose, so that's why I decided to use rose water. You can get any brand love. So rose water has anti-inflammatory property that can help reduce the redness of irritated skin, get rid of acne, dermatitis and eczema due to its antibacterial property. Rose water also aids in the healing scar and wounds. So this is really suits me perfect. So that is why I chose rose water, because of all these bacteria that cause acne, and it will prevent me be exposed to all these unnecessary bacteria that cause fine line, open pores and oils. So we need 4 teaspoons of rose water. So we need, if you are going to be using tablespoon, you need 3 tablespoons, but if you are going to be using small, so you only need 4 to 5 teaspoons. So you have to soak it overnight. We are not going to be using it today, so I just say let me show you guys. So this is how I mix my face. This is how I make my home makeup remover at home, and for the past few months it worked wonderful for my skin. My skin is glorious. My skin is absolutely gorgeous. So guys, the last product we are going to be using, guys, we are going to be using tea tree oil. It's a popular choice for treating acne. It's very popular. It has been using to treat acne, teeth decay, and so on and so forth. So that is the reason why I chose to use tea tree oil to treat my acne, and because of its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial property. It helps to calm redness, swelling and inflammation. It may even help to prevent and reduce acne scars, leaving you with smooth clear skin. Okay, so we are going to be dropping, we only need 2 to 3 drops. So I used to drop 3 drop. 1, 2, 3. I never getting me. So guys, so I'm going to be transferring it to a bottle because I'm not going to be using it straight away. So according to what I say, you have to leave it for 24 hours. So after 24 hours, it's going to turn like a light brown. So guys, I'm going to transfer it here, and I'm going to store it in a room temperature, guys. So you can do the same as well, guys. So that will last me for a week. So make sure you make the one that you know is gonna be okay for you for the whole week. You don't want to be making it time to time. So this is what I'm up to right now, guys. Using different stuff, but I think I'm going to be stay with this now. So this doesn't trigger anything on my face. It calms my skin because I have a sensitive excess oily skin. Check this online, and I've been using it for the past few months, and it worked wonderful for me. So when you leave it 24 hours and you want to use it, you have to use a cotton pad. So for instance, this is how I actually do it. I'll show you guys. So if you apply your makeup and you come home, you want to remove it, you don't need to spend fortune. It costs nothing, and it's very strong. So you just use it to remove your makeup. You don't have to. That will actually last you for months, and it will help you to get rid of fine line, open pores, acne. It will help you to control unnecessary oil from your nose, from your face, and it will help you to prevent unnecessary bacteria that cause acne. Maybe roughly when you remove the makeup, you leave it for 10 minutes and you can rinse it with lukewarm water. Okay, and it depends. If you like, you can leave it and apply your toner. Actually, sometimes I use it as a toner as well. Okay, because it actually helped me to control the oil. So, and if you're a dry skin during winter, this will really help you. Okay, it worked well. It helped me. I love my skin now, and just give it a go. If this helped you, don't forget to leave the comments below, thumbs up, go to comment, click like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Stay blessed.